how to get rid of the seatbelt seatbelt alarm. You put the key and put it all the way to run with your seatbelt on, and then you unbuckle it 3 times within a 10-second timer, and then you turn off the truck, and it should work. It should go away. I just tried mine and it's off. Once again, put it in, put it on run, put it on run with your seatbelt on, and then let everything pull up and unbuckle it 3 times quickly. And on the third time you leave it on, and then you turn off the truck and it should go away. All right, bye.